Hello everybody and welcome to part 1 of our Turing tumble. So today we are going to do puzzle number 1. Now, first of all, you may be wondering what is Turing tumble. Well, Turing tumble is a game where you have these pieces and you make them together to solve a particular challenge or puzzle. So, let's get started. So, they have this instruction manual and these pieces. Instruction manuals. And they also have a story. So, start with puzzle. So, they have this start button. And the rule is that your machine cannot let balls drop freely for any distance. See? Nope. It can drop like this. So, puzzle number 1. Here we go. So, we have here, I already said, so we have here, we are available 4 green ramps. You may recognize them. Also, make sure to snap these silver balls into place. So, our objective is to make all of the blue balls, and only the blue balls reach the end. And also, the level of difficulty is. So, you can pause this video and figure it out. Okay? So, of course, you know that we cannot let balls drop freely. What we can do is make a ramp. Place the ramp so that they can drop the ramp to it. So as you might have noticed, they go here, 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 and here. So let's press the blue lever and see what happens. So as you see here, we have all of the blue balls and only the blue balls go here. And none of the red balls have been touched. I hope you enjoy watching and hope to see you next time.